The options trading body of knowledge is a comprehensive guide to understanding the ins and outs of options trading. Written by Michael Thomsett, a well-known author and expert in the field, the book covers a wide range of topics that are essential for traders who want to master the art of options trading. The book is organized into 6 parts, each of which covers a different aspect of options trading. Part 1 provides an introduction to options and explains the basics of how they work. Thomsett explains the difference between calls and puts, the mechanics of options pricing, and how to use options to hedge your portfolio. Part 2 delves deeper into the world of options trading, providing detailed information on the various types of options, including American and European-style options, as well as the different expiration dates and strike prices that are available. Thomsett also covers the basics of options trading strategies, including buying and selling calls and puts, and how to create spreads using different combinations of options. Part 3 focuses on the various factors that can impact the value of an option, including volatility, time decay, and interest rates. Thomsett provides a detailed explanation of each of these factors and how they can affect the pricing of options. He also discusses how to use technical analysis and other tools to predict future price movements in the options market. Part 4 covers the practical aspects of options trading, including how to open and close options positions, how to place orders, and how to manage risk. Thomsett also provides guidance on how to select the right broker and trading platform, and how to use options trading software to analyze and track your trades. Part 5 is dedicated to advanced options trading strategies, including butterfly spreads, iron condors, and straddles. Thomsett explains how these complex strategies work and provides examples of how to implement them in different market conditions. Finally, Part 6 covers some of the more esoteric aspects of options trading, including trading options on futures, binary options, and foreign exchange options. Thomsett also provides guidance on how to trade options in international markets and how to use options to manage currency risk. Throughout the book, Thomsett provides a wealth of practical advice and tips for options traders. He includes detailed explanations of key concepts, as well as numerous examples and case studies to illustrate how these concepts work in practice. He also provides a variety of tools and resources, including spreadsheets and templates, to help traders manage their trades and analyze their performance. One of the key strengths of the options trading body of knowledge is its comprehensive coverage of the subject. Thomsett leaves no stone unturned, covering everything from the basics of options trading to advanced strategies and esoteric trading instruments. This makes the book an invaluable resource for traders at all levels of experience. Another strength of the book is its clear and concise writing style. Thomsett is able to explain complex concepts in a way that is easy to understand, making the book accessible to traders with different levels of experience and knowledge. That said, the book does have a few weaknesses. For example, some readers may find the level of detail overwhelming, particularly in the later chapters on advanced strategies and esoteric trading instruments. Additionally, the book is focused primarily on trading options for speculation and profit, rather than using options to hedge risk or as part of a broader investment strategy. In conclusion, Options Trading Body of Knowledge is an excellent resource for options traders who want to deepen their understanding of the subject. Thomsett's clear and concise writing style, combined with the comprehensive coverage of the subject, make this book an invaluable tool for traders at all levels of experience. While the level of detail may be overwhelming for some readers, the wealth of practical advice and tools provided in the book make it a must-read for anyone who wants to master the art of options trading. Please subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this on my channel.